Are you ready to get to know Ayvaz up close? 40,000 square meters of closed production area, 1,200 employees worldwide, exports to 110 countries. If you are ready, let's begin. Founded in 1948, Ayvaz has spent 75 years striving to create unique products in Turkey. Based in Hadımköy, Istanbul, their 40,000 square meter factory, along with a 9,000 square meter warehouse and logistics center, ensures rapid response to industry needs. Ayvaz, along with its export-oriented subsidiary Ayvaz Global, exports its brand to 110 countries, ranking as one of Turkey's top 1,000 exporting companies and a category leader in exports. Ayvaz offers an extensive product range, including flexible metal hoses, level control, steam equipment, expansion joints, valves, fire protection equipment, and industrial insulation. With 11 regional offices and 100 dealers nationwide, Ayvaz excels in production and sales, ensuring widespread product distribution throughout Turkey. Ayvaz's global presence includes regional offices and logistics in the USA, Germany, Italy, Serbia, Ukraine, Egypt, Azerbaijan, Dubai, Kazakhstan, and Vietnam. All under the globally local trade slogan. Their production facilities in Poland, Bulgaria, and China further solidify their status as a local company catering to diverse global demands. Ayvaz pioneers the industry with technological investments, integrating robotic advancements for added value to their business and solution partners. By automating tasks that were once manual, difficult, or risky, Ayvaz enhances quality, efficiency, and workplace safety while relieving employees of these responsibilities. Ayvaz, the first Turkish manufacturer of expansion joints, flexible metal hoses, level control, and steam traps, pioneers industry advancements and sets new safety and quality standards with Turkey's inaugural UL and FM approved gaseous fire suppression filling station. Ayvaz, thanks to its production capacity, commitment to quality, and adherence to universal management principles, is the only Turkish company in Europe that is a member of the association Euro-Qualiflex. Ayvaz, a company ranked among the top 5 European manufacturers and a proud member of AEQ, actively contributes to shaping industry quality standards. Ayvaz excels in expansion joints, offering specialized solutions for various sectors, from conventional to renewable energy, automotive to aerospace. Their expert project team handles design, production, and commissioning of high-tech expansion joints, ensuring precision and reliability. Ayvaz designs and manufactures specialized expansion joints for global petroleum refinery projects, including turbine, high-pressure heat exchanger, and FCCU expansion joints. They meet European Pressure Equipment Directive standards in manufacturing and are the only domestic manufacturer compliant with OSME standards, holding OSME U, U2, and OSME S certifications. Ayvaz credits its success to products meeting international standards for the highest level of quality. Their cutting-edge laboratory facilities and exclusive research and development center, officially approved by the Ministry of Industry, focus on the latest technology to raise industry standards. Each Ayvaz product undergoes academic-level scrutiny to ensure maximum safety throughout its service life. At Ayvaz's Hadımköy Research and Development Center, a team of 25 experts innovates high-value products and processes while also creating domestic alternatives to imports. Ayvaz upholds international standards for product quality, environmental awareness, and occupational health and safety. Certified with CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 50001, and OSS 18001 certifications. Ayvaz boosts production capacity to meet rising demand at a new 4,000 square meters facility equipped with advanced technology. This site, dedicated to indoor flex natural gas installation components, is operated by their experienced team. To meet global demand effectively, Ayvaz Global operates 2 world-standard production centers spanning 2,000 square meters for production and 1,000 square meters for storage in Çatalca Free Zone in Istanbul. Expert teams manage the manufacturing of flexible metal hoses and expansion joints, ensuring a competitive response to international markets. Ayvaz, trusting in the future of domestic valve production, unifies its production expertise, technology, quality management, and human resources as HA Valve. Their new Sealeave Reef factory spans 3,000 square meters, focusing on competitive products for national and global markets. Alongside industrial investments, Ayvaz is committed to a sustainable future for generations to come. Their environmentally conscious approach extends to nature and business processes. With a solar power plant investment, Ayvaz advances toward its zero carbon footprint goal. Ayvaz's 5-megawatt solar plant, spanning 100 acres, produces surplus electricity, contributing to the national economy and exemplifying environmental responsibility as they become a self-sustaining factory. Ayvaz, through its products and solutions, innovative investments, and ambitious growth targets, strengthens its brand both in Turkey and worldwide.